สบายดีพี่น้องเด้อ Hello everybody welcome to my channel with Lao Languages again my today's lesson is for people who want to learn Lao from beginning okay from now on I'll create very simple lesson for all of you to study here we go all together lesson 1 greeting words สบายสบาย be well be comfortable สบาย be well be comfortable ดีดี good well ดี good well บอ is a question word บอ is a question word เจ้า you เจ้า you ขอบใจ thank you ขอบใจ thank you ค่อย I me ค่อย I me they and what and how and about they and what and how and about okay after learning words right now we can use the word about to make a conversation here let's go สบายดี hello hi good morning etc สบายดี hello hi good morning etc สบายดีบ่ how are you สบายดีบ่ how are you สบายดีขอบใจเจ้าเดสบายดีขอบใจเจ้าเด fine thank you and you สบายดีขอบใจเจ้าเด fine thank you and you ค่อยสบายดีขอบใจค่อยสบายดีขอบใจ I'm fine thank you ค่อยสบายดีขอบใจ I'm fine thank you Here's look some note in Lao languages and here's also a grammar point help you to understand Lao easily right so the first point is สบาย okay the word สบาย the meaning is well or comfortable when we plus with the wordดีthe meaning change okay the first meaning is hello hi good morning and the second is to be fine or to be well okay so the word สบายดี mean hello okay or to be fine or to be well right the second point is okay the positive sentence can be changed into a question by adding the question word บอ at the end okay look example เจ้าสบายดีเจ้าสบายดีเจ้าสบายดี here is a positive sentence it means that you are well okay it means that you are well it is a positive sentence when we add the word บอ at the end its meaning change into question okay เจ้าสบายดีบอเจ้าสบายดีบอ it means that are you well okay are you well right okay my lesson come to the end now thank you for joining my session if you have any question please leave it in the comment okay see you next time bye